Use garlic this way to maximize its health benefits. But what if I told you that a single clove of garlic could act as a powerful natural antibiotic and revolutionize your health, but only if you know the right way to use it? Stick around, because this could change your life. Garlic isn't just a common kitchen staple, but it's a powerhouse of health benefits. It can fight infections, lower cholesterol, and even help your body fight inflammation. But most people are using it the wrong way, and they're missing out on its full potential. In this video, we'll show you the best ways to use garlic to maximize its benefits for your health and well-being. Did you know that cooking garlic destroys most of its active compounds? That means the garlic in your favorite dishes might not be giving you the health boost you think it is. The real magic lies in raw garlic, but there's a catch. If you don't consume it correctly, you're leaving its amazing benefits on the table. So, what makes garlic so special? Garlic contains a compound called allicin. This sulfur-rich substance is responsible for garlic's incredible antibiotic properties, making it effective against bacterial, viral, and even fungal infections, something no synthetic antibiotic can do. But here's the key. Allicin is highly sensitive and breaks down quickly when exposed to heat, and it isn't beneficial as per requirement. So, how can you preserve its power? There are two best ways to consume raw garlic. First, swallowing it whole. Swallow a small peeled clove of garlic first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, because this method protects your stomach and ensures the raw garlic travels to your intestines intact. There, allicin is released, acting as a potent antibacterial, antifungal, and even anti-worm agent. It's also a natural way to lower bad cholesterol, boost your immune system, and reduce inflammation. Next, crushing or chewing it. Crushing or chewing garlic releases additional sulfur compounds that are excellent for heart health. These compounds improve blood circulation, regulate cholesterol, and burn fat deposits, especially around the liver. Here is a pro tip for you. Combine crushed garlic with your meals for an easy and flavorful health boost. The secret to getting garlic's full potential benefits lies in combining both methods. Swallow a clove in the morning to target infections and inflammation, then include crushed garlic in your meals to support heart health, blood circulation, and fat metabolism. Together, these methods create a comprehensive health system that benefits your entire body. Garlic is truly nature's powerhouse, but only when consumed the right way. Remember this simple routine: 1 clove whole in the morning, crushed garlic with your meals, and plenty of water. Try this method to get maximum benefits and watch out for your health transformation. Have you tried using garlic like this before? Let us know in the comments. Want to step up your health? You can't miss what's coming next. There is one more superfood that could change everything for you. This is something most people have less information about. Click on the video that's on your screen right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.